Resist temptation. My family visited a place in La Union that featured a hobbit house. Yes, yung katulad sa Lord of the Rings, kung saan tumira si Frodo tsaka si Bilbo Baggins. Interestingly, naisip ko bakit si Frodo yung piniling magdala ng Ring of Power or yung the One Ring. Kasi itong One Ring na to, the temptation for power is so high that it easily corrupts any person who holds it. And ang mga hobbits, they're known to be gentle and innately kind, at sila yung pinaka most likely na makakayanang i-resist yung temptation ng power. Pero despite that, mayroong characters na katulad ni Gollum na dati namang hobbit that succumbed to the temptation. Pero si Frodo, he endured it, he resisted it until it came to the point that he was able to succeed in destroying the One Ring. How are you dealing with temptations? Alam ko napakahirap kasi it's so attractive. But what it actually is deceit. Paano nga ba i-resist yung temptation? Una, kailangan natin magkaroon ng active prayer life. Kasi pag lumayo tayo sa Diyos, di saan tayo pupunta? Dun sa temptasyon. Second is be strengthened by His Word. Doon tayo humugot ng lakas sa salita ng Diyos. Third is community. Surround yourself with people who also want to resist temptation. Those who want to become better. And lastly, the sacraments. As a Catholic, the grace that is channeled through the sacraments is strength for my soul. With the help of the Holy Spirit and with our full cooperation, we can overcome.